The Honourable Minister for Agriculture, the Honourable Acting Minister for Agriculture and Waterways, the Honourable Assistant Minister for Agriculture and Waterways, the Permanent Secretary for Agriculture and Waterways, esteemed guests, development partners and stakeholders, senior government officials, dear farmers, ladies and gentlemen. Musa Dolabina, Namaste, Nisam Bulabinaka, and a warm welcome to you all. It is my great pleasure and honor to join you as we celebrate the extraordinary achievements of Fiji's agriculture sector. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Ministry of Agriculture, the Minister for Agriculture, the team, staff and families for their invitation and efforts in organizing this important event, which comes at a perfect time, given the crucial role that our agricultural sector plays in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, the agriculture sector, as you all know, has always been the backbone of our nation. It is true that it is the cornerstone of our economy and the foundation upon which many livelihoods have been built since Fiji's independence. Agriculture also supports employment, food security, and economic stability from the smallest rural village to the urban centers, playing a pivotal role in our nation's development and progress. Ladies and gentlemen, today's awards recognize the hard work, dedication, and innovation that drives this vital sector forward. They are a testament to the commitment of our farmers, industry leaders, and stakeholders whose efforts have been instrumental in ensuring that agriculture continues to evolve, meeting local demand while increasing the nation's competitiveness on the global stage. To our special awards recipients, your contributions have been nothing but sort of exemplary. Whether in innovative farming practices, sustainable resource management, or contributing to food security, your efforts have made a real difference. You have demonstrated the very best of what Fiji's agriculture sector has to offer. And today, we honor your outstanding achievements. Ladies and gentlemen, as we look towards the future, it is essential that we continue to focus on sustainability and innovation. The progress we celebrate today is not the result of individual efforts, but rather a collective commitment to uplift our agricultural sector from the very grassroots to national policy. To our awardees, on behalf of the government of Fiji and the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways, I congratulate you once again. Your dedication to excellence is an inspiration to all of us. Let this award serve as a reminder of the important role you play in our country's development. We look forward to seeing more of your innovative work and continued success in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me this opportunity to sincerely thank the Ministry of Agriculture, the Honorable Prime Minister, Assistant Minister, the Permanent Secretary, and all staff of the Ministry, our development partners, sponsors, and all stakeholders who have worked tirelessly to make this event and these achievements possible. Your continuous support is crucial in ensuring that agriculture in Fiji remains strong and resilient in the years to come. Together, we can make a lasting difference, one that will benefit generations to come. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I now invite you to join me in congratulating our awardees and wish you all an enjoyable and memorable celebration of Fiji's agricultural excellence. Dhanyavad, thank you, and vinagawalew.